So, talking about frontal plane poses, Warrior 3 is a great example of frontal plane pose as well. That's why sometimes we combo Warrior 3 with Warrior 1. You want to stick in that same frame of mind, putting together in your sequences, your vinyasa, sequence of poses put together, vinyasa. You want to put those together in the same planes. So you would put all of your forward plane poses together. Example, Warrior 1, Warrior 3, crescent pose, things like that. All of those are really good in line together. Now side plane poses you would match up together as well. An example of that kind of sequence would be Warrior 2 to triangle to reverse triangle, okay? So I'm going to show you Warrior 3 right now, and I've got our handy little friend here, our belt, to show you kind of some principles about Warrior 3. So we're going to go ahead and step on your belt with either the ball of the foot or the arch of the foot. You're going to get nice and tall. You're going to lift up the left toes, and one toe at a time start to release them to the earth, rooting you down so the pose can grow. That's the key in any pose, root down to build and grow the pose. So take your belt and place it right here on that hip bone again. Find your drishti or gaze about 8 feet in front of you on the floor. And then go ahead and take your left hand to your hip. Start to stabilize. Now, one of the biggest misalignments we see in Warrior 3 is that the toes face out. And really and truly, if we're keeping the dynamics of a frontal plane pose, the toe needs to be facing straight down to the earth so the hips can be level with the earth. I'll show you what I mean. This belt is a great tool. So left hand on hip, the hand goes to the hip bone, and then keeping that structure, you're going to start to lengthen back the leg until it's hip level. And slowly release down. Let me show you from a frontal aspect the difference of what we see really common as teachers. So people come into Warrior 3, and you'll see it almost looks like half moon. So they start to come up, they're doing it, oh, look at those toes, they're out to the side. You're not going to feel stable. You're not going to feel the foundation of rooting down if you do that. So think about that belt holding your toes facing down. You try it again. Toes face down. And then you come out of it, releasing. Warrior 3, way to be.